it's me, Rhiannon. Welcome back. It's been a little while. You may notice my different surroundings. That's because I have renovated my room, and that's what this video is going to be about. That segue was really good. Anyway, so I just thought I'd do a little video about how I renovated my room to be just my absolute dream room on a budget. So I'm going to take you through step by step what I did, and then I'm going to do a little room tour and tell you about all the bits. The first thing I did was plan. Now I think this is really important. So the way I planned was using a Pinterest board and just notes on my phone. I knew I wanted pink and green, which is just like my favourite colour combo ever, as you can tell. I knew I wanted like mid-century modern furniture and like loads of plants. And that was like where I started. So I just made a little Pinterest board and saved everything that I liked onto the Pinterest board, and that gave me a few ideas as well. So after that I planned, I wrote down in my notes like everything that I wanted and needed, and then because I knew like I had a definitive list of what I wanted, I could like source things cheaply. So the first section I'm going to talk about is this little window section. As you can see on the left there, I've got my fan. I don't know why, even though it's now October, I can't sleep without the fan on. It's the noise, it soothes me to sleep, okay? Nobody ask anything else about it. Anyway, then next to that I've got my little plant called Spiky Mikey. My chest of drawers is from Facebook Marketplace. That cost me just £33, which I think is a really good price for what they are. And then I've got another plant that looks like the Demogorgon from Stranger Things, and once you see it you can't unsee it. And then just some nice candles and some flowers that Jack got me for my birthday, and he's really cute. And my iPod dock, because as much as we all like to have perfect Pinterest rooms, like we also have to live. So yeah, and then I've just got my guitars next to that, because I like them there, and I think my jazz master looks quite nice and cool. So then I'm moving on to the next wall, which is the wall with my mirror. Now I already had this mirror, and it's like the cheapest one from IKEA. It's just this white mirror, and then my little Monstera plant, who is my favourite plant, next to that in his little pot, which I got from IKEA, which they've just started doing these like wicker baskets with the pink around it, and I was like, oh my god, it's ideal for my room. And then on the wall there we've got a little painting from it's not a painting, it is a print from Desenio. This is just a little pink doorway in Paris, and it's just, well, Paris is one of my favourite cities that I've ever been to, and I've got a little New York print as well on another wall, so I just wanted to have like my favourite cities in my room, because Paris and New York are my favourite cities. And then I've just got my little amp, because again, I live in this room and it's not just like not lived in. Anyway, so the next thing I'm moving on to is my dresser thing. I don't know what to describe this. It's a sideboard, okay, but I'm keeping my clothes in it, and like my skincare bits and things like that, and it's actually fitting loads of stuff in, and the little slidey section at the top is really good for just putting stuff in, like to like reduce clutter in my room, which is ideal for me because I love having such a nice room, but I am literally the most messy person ever, and I'm like fighting my genes to like be a messy person, and like really trying to keep this room tidy because it's literally so gorgeous. So I've just got loads of plants on the top there, which is something that was really important for my like idea of like my room that I wanted. And then like some nice photos of me and my family, loads of candles, because I really like hygge, like the idea of hygge, which if you don't know what it is, it's just like, it's like the Swedish belief of like cozy living, so like candles and like blankets, and I just love that idea. It's just everything that I live for, to be honest. Right, so now I'm moving on to my rail. My rail is something that I knew I wanted, and I was sort of really wary of it because obviously there's not too much storage in this room, and like, as I said, I'm like quite a messy person, so I'm really trying really hard to like keep it tidy on the rail. There was a point where it was rainbow coordinated, but that's long gone now. And I've got my shoes sort of hidden away in a little shoe rack. And so now moving on to my bed. I already had my bed, but I just changed the headboard. So this headboard I got for £15 off Facebook Marketplace, which I think is such a good bargain. I can't believe it. And then above I've got my little print from Desenio, and I also got all my photo frames from IKEA, just the Fiskable, I think is the title of the frames. And they're literally the cheapest ones. They're quite bad quality. I'm looking to replace them in the future, but for now they'll do better than just having a poster on the wall like I'm 12. So yeah, that's that. And now moving down to my bench. So my bench was £40 from IKEA with throw on top. That was £7 from IKEA. And then I've got me little plants, me little cactuses that my friend Alicia kindly gifted me today for my birthday, because she knows me so well. She was like, I didn't know if they'd go in your room. And I was like, have you seen my room, babes? They will. And then I was really pleased with my rug. So my rug was actually £36 I think from Amazon. I'll link it below because it was the cheapest rug that I could find that I really liked. Because rugs are so expensive, and I didn't even realise. I'm literally typing into Google cheap rugs and they were £900 on cheaprugsdirect.co.uk. You're lying. You're not Cheap Rugs Direct, you're bloody expensive Rugs Direct. That was something I did look for on Facebook Marketplace, but I couldn't find anything, and I just thought, you know what, I'll have a look on Amazon, and I did a good job. So anyway, now moving on to my shelves and my dressing table. So one thing I knew I really wanted was the dressing table inside the alcove as a shelf. I don't know why, I seen it on Pinterest and I was like, this is what I want, this is what I need. So underneath I've got my little stool which matches my cushion, which I was quite pleased with. I got that for £25 from Dunelm. And then the shelves, I literally got the cheapest shelves from IKEA and then the cheapest wooden brackets, and just painted the brackets the same colour as the wall. Went over all before and after so you can see. Video, please do subscribe if you haven't already, and like and share and do all that stuff. I know it's been a little while. I'm so bad at being consistent, I know. I really wish I wasn't, but I am. Yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been really fun to make. Well, obviously it's been really fun for me to redecorate my room. It's something that I've wanted to do for ages. The fact that I got to do it on a budget, and I feel like it's something that people might find interesting. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said, please do like it if you have, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Bye! I'm in a different surrounding. That's because I have I'm in a different surrounding, I know. Oh my god. Hi everyone. What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna do you a little room tour now. Oh my god, I'm bleeding and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna do you a little room tour now. Oh my god, I'm bleeding and everything. Oh my god, I'm bleeding and everything. Just cover that up.